Alright, this is a new spindle speeder I got. It's a multiplier. It multiplies the spindle speed by 5. Right now I'm running my spindle here at 3,000 RPM, which is actually giving me 15,000 RPM. And I can do engraving in twice the time it took me, I guess, before. And had to build this special bracket on the side for it to run. And you can see it in a second here. It's almost done with the engraving. We'll see how it comes out. Getting kind of bird's eye view of it. Sounds kind of cool. I'm a real believer in coolant, as you can see by the added nozzles. And it looks like this is almost done. We'll see how the engraving turned out. That's pretty cool. Well, that's it for today. See you guys next time.